Hi, good morning. It's February 4 and it's our day 11 of the project. Okay, let's see what we can do today. Okay, so I got a new worker with me, Mr. Danny, my old-time painter. Now he's stripping off the paint of the old car. So let's see the progress later. Okay, over here is Mundo, my tinsmith, still doing the trace for the head of the chassis tunnel. Okay, so tune in and stand by for more development today. That's the home paint and the body filler. Okay, test fitting the head of the chassis. With the arc tunnel. Konti na lang. Closing in the gaps. The panel being stripped off. One side is almost done. Here. Okay. The inner tunnel is already done. Okay. It will be welded here. And it will be welded here, welded under, and welded over. Then, this is the topmost of the head of the chassis. It will be welded again here, and we welded again here, somewhere here. Then it's done. Okay. So this is day 11, guys, and thank you for watching. And please do subscribe do sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, and also please hit the like button and notification bell for an update. Okay, good morning. It's day 12 of our restoration project, February 5. Okay, so I got new sets of workers with me. Danny's grandchild and Danny here with me. We're still stripping off the paint, and I'd like to show you the ready-made it's already done through and through. We just have to weld it and fix it. I mean, make it fix. Okay. So stand back and I'll update you shortly. Okay, for the paint removal, or the stripping of the paint. Here's the progress. We need to take out all the paint and the body filler so we can assess the condition of the metal. Okay, after lunch. Okay. Here's the almost finished product of the head of the chassis. Okay, so you can see the extent of the damage by scraping the metal, or sorry, scraping the paint. You'll see the extent of the damage. I've used my orbital sander to remove all the paint and remaining paint and yeah. Yeah, orbital sander. Yes. Next step is the orbital how we call this? Rotary cap brush to remove the stubborn paint and fillers inside the dents. So we'll see you on Monday for our 13th day na sa Monday, no? 13th day on Monday. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. Please do like, share, and subscribe on our YouTube page. And thank you very much. God bless you all.